What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at where the spare tire, the jack, and the lug nut wrench that you'll need to change a flat tire are located in a 2023 Buick Envision. So all those items I just mentioned are going to be in the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, I've already got the back hatch open. Now taking a look in here, what we want to do is grab this handle right here and then pull up on this whole lid. And if you pick up and pull it forward just a little bit and then push it back, it'll kind of wedge itself in there and hold itself up like that. Now there's this wing nut that's holding the spare tire on. I've already got this loosened up to save time, but spin that off. And then once you get that wing nut out of there, the tire will pick up out of there like that. Once we get the tire out, we see there's this kind of styrofoam tray right here. And in that tray, we're going to have this piece. This is going to be the lug nut wrench as well as the handle for the jack. This will just flip open like this. And then we also have our actual jack right here. So that will go like this. And then for the jack handle, this will fit on here just like that. And again, this is also the lug nut wrench. So we have our spare tire, lug nut wrench, and our jack. That should be everything that you need in order to change your flat tire. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.